Balmao, Auni Nyantuma, Abalonso, Madame Cisse, Ramata Cisse, Tantira, Kabo, Atlanta, États-Unis. Bi amena kuma Mali kanka. Amena question posée, anga se ka répondre, anga se ka femme. Amena profiter para ka Mali hymne national kalamba manaka na Mali passa. Donc abe fo ka be wali nyumando. All right. So I was saying in Bambara that I'm greeting everybody that we'll be talking about the Bambara culture and the Bambara language. To tell you ahead, Mali is in West Africa. It has been colonized by French, right? And the national language is French, which is against the culture. 90% of people do not speak it, but kids have to learn in French when they don't speak it. So they spend so many years learning the language, they miss out the knowledge. So we believe we need to bring back the natural language of Bambara to the school system so kids can learn in the language they can speak. So what the first thing we are doing is making sure every Malian can sing the national anthem in their language. We have many different languages, but Bambara is the most popular one. It's understood by 81% of the population in Mali. It's spoken in other countries in Mali, next to Mali, in Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, in Senegal, in Guinea, in different countries. So now, to make the promotion easier, we thought everybody in the world should learn the national anthem. It doesn't matter if you're from Vietnam or from China, you need to learn the national anthem in Mali. So any question about Mali?
I just want to visit.
You want to visit Mali?
I do want to visit.
It's a very great country. It's a very old culture. You can go. It's a country where you can go and actually visit people during lunchtime without invitation and eat lunch.
Oh,
yes.
Wow.
Our country is called the country of hospitality. It's called in Bambara, Jatibiya. Jatibiya. It means when you come, you are welcome.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I went with one of my colleagues to Mali, my professor. I told him that, I said, Dr. Nicholson, do you know that we can go to any family and he's like, you joke? And I said, no. We just walked, stood, and said, we need lunch. They said, come, of course, it's a culture. We are very melting pot country. We had a lot of different people from different areas of Africa who need to pass through Mali to get their destination. So our culture is very important for us. So we're going to learn the national anthem of Mali in Bambara, okay? So let's practice. Mali mana kambo,
Mali mana kambo,
nyeta kele bado,
nyeta kele bado,
ambe banche siri,
ambe banche siri,
kala idutime,
kala.
Great job. So next, when you go like this, look at it. So haju ngani ya kele. I'm gonna repeat. So haju ngani ya kele.
So haju ngani ya kele.
So haju ngani ya kele. Again.
So haju ngani ya kele.
Parafina kelenya,
parafina kelenya,
parafina kelenya. Again.
Parafina kelenya.
Jugu mana kumbo,
jugu mana kumbo,
jugu mana kumbo. Konona o kenema,
konona o kenema,
konona o kenema, konona o kenema. Beka wili kijo, beka wili kijo, beka wili kijo, saya kafisa maloye,
saya kafisa maloye,
saya kafisa maloye,
saya kafisa maloye.
Farafina faso Mali, para Farafina Faso, Mali. Again. Farafina Faso, Mali. Again. Farafina Faso, Mali. Again. Farafina Faso, Mali. Now, John Iko Koronya Bere. John Iko Koronya Bere. John Iko Koronya Bere. John Iko Koronya Bere. Then, John Iko Koronya Bere. John Iko Koronya Bere. Again. Farafina Nafaso Mali. Farafina Nafaso Mali. It's gonna be two now, right? Farafina Nafaso Mali. Farafina Nafaso Mali. Kele iko kelenya kele. Kele iko kelenya kele. Kele iko kelenya kele. Mali play baby. Mali play baby. Mali play baby. Either tile or tile. Tile. Mali tile baby. Mali tile baby. The next one is Mali tile baby. Mali tile baby. So the first one is Mali tile baby. Mali tile baby. Now, Jigiya furo funtira kaira. That's right. Jigiya furo funtira kaira. Jigiya furo funtira kaira. Jigiya furo funtira kaira.
Is it Kaira?
Kaira.
Kaira.
Kaira. Jigiya furo funtira kaira. Deu hakili latigera. Peu. Deu hakili latigera. Peu. Deu hakili latigera. Peu. Deu hakili latigera. Peu. We made it, right? Yes.
So I'm singing along.